Carl Jung tells in one of his books of a conversation he had with a Native American chief who pointed out to him that in his perception, most white people have tense faces, staring eyes, and a cruel demeanor. He said, "They are always seeking something. What are they seeking? The whites always want something. They are always uneasy and restless. We don't know what they want. We think they are mad." Realize deeply that the present moment is all you have. Make the now the primary focus of your life. Nothing has happened in the past. It happened in the now. Nothing will ever happen in the future. It will happen in the now. Time isn't precious at all because it is an illusion. What you perceive as precious is not time, but the one point that is out of time, the now. That is precious indeed. The more you are focused on time, past and future, the more you miss the now, the most precious thing there is. Your outer journey may contain 1,000,000 steps. Your inner journey only has one, the step you are taking right now. It is not uncommon for people to spend their whole life waiting to start living. What a caterpillar calls the end of the world, we call a butterfly. You are awareness disguised as a person. The beginning of freedom is the realization that you are not the thinker. The moment you start watching the thinker, a higher level of consciousness becomes activated. You then begin to realize that there is a vast realm of intelligence beyond thought. That thought is only a tiny aspect of that intelligence. You also realize that all the things that truly matter, beauty, love, creativity, joy, inner peace, arise from beyond the mind. You begin to awaken. Thinking is only a small aspect of consciousness. Thought cannot exist without consciousness, but consciousness does not need thought.